Today we are making arancini. You need 2 cups of cooked rice. And we're going to cook this rice in this chicken broth over here. So whatever water you use, instead of using water, you're going to use chicken broth instead. You need a half of cup of grated Parmesan. You need about 2 or 3 small eggs or medium. You're going to need some cube mozzarella. You're going to need a cup of breadcrumbs or panko crumbs. You're also going to need some cooking spray, which is over here. We're going to use the cooking spray because we're air frying it. You're also going to need a little bit of olive oil. And the olive oil is going to go to how much you're going to make the balls. So what we're going to do is we're going to get ahead and form a ball with the rice. About 2 tablespoons. We're going to place this cheese in the middle of this ball of rice. And then we're going to dip and roll. So let's see. Yummy, yummy. There's the cheese right there. Okay, what I'm doing is I'm using a little strainer. It helps me keep everything together as I scoop breadcrumbs in. It helps me keep this ball together, and then when I dip it out, it's a whole complete ball. I'll just take one from over here that I've already dipped in the egg, and then I take the breadcrumbs and I sprinkle them on top, and then I just shake it like that. It's just much easier to keep this in a bowl, and then I scoop it off on the side, and then pie out. It's right there. I'm going to have the refrigerator for about 2 hours or more because my rice wasn't very stiff. Okay, my air fryer is sprayed down, so you can see that up close. I made my balls. It's over here, and now I'm going to put them in the air fryer, 350 for about 10 minutes, and then we'll be back to flip them for another 10. Okay, it's in my air fryer and it's frying. And then what I'm going to do is after 5 minutes, flip them over, spray again, do another 5 minutes. There's my arancinis. And you see that cheese is goozing out? Just a little square piece, and it's goozing out. There's my marinara sauce, and for dipping. Yummy, yummy for my tummy. Great appetizer. This is an Italian dish.